Construct DFA for set of all strings containing a given alphabet sigma with two symbols a and b. Here the language consists of strings such as a, b, a and so on, all the strings containing a. In the very beginning, automata will be in the initial state Q0. In this state, automata is expecting for an input symbol A. So as long as it sees B, it will remain in the same state Q0 expecting for the input symbol A. Whenever the symbol A is found, machine will move to another state Q1. Now Q1 remembers that an input symbol A is already seen. Now the string already contains the symbol A. So Q2 should be an accepting state or final state. So if the machine is in state Q1, it means the string already contains the symbol A. So if it is followed by any number of A's or any number of B's or their combination, remain in the same state Q1, which remembers that the string contains A. Now we can see for Q0 for both the input symbols we specified the transitions. For Q1 for both the input symbols we specified the transition. And string A is accepted, AB, all the strings containing A are accepted, epsilon is rejected. Strings containing just B's such as B, BB, BBB, such strings are rejected. Construct DFA for set of all strings containing the substring BA over the alphabet sigma with two symbols A and B. Here the language consists of strings containing the substring BA. In the beginning, automata will be in the initial state Q0, and in this state the machine is expecting for the substring BA. So as long as it sees B, it will remain in the same state Q0 expecting for a substring BA. Whenever a symbol B is found, it will move to another state Q1. Now Q1 remembers that symbol B of the substring BA is found. And now it is expecting for an A. If an input symbol A is found, then it will move to another state Q2. Now Q2 remembers that the substring BA is seen. So Q2 should be an accepting state or final state. So if the machine is in state Q2, it means the substring BA is already seen. So if BA is followed by any number of A's or B's or their combinations, remain in the same state Q2, which remembers that the substring BA is already found. So from Q2 we have transitions on A and transition on B. From Q1, this is the transition on A. What happens on the input symbol B? If the machine is in state Q1, it means a B is found and it is expecting for a symbol A. But instead of A, suppose a symbol B is found, then following that B, the machine should expect another A. So it will remain in the same state Q1, which remembers that a B of the substring BA is found and now it is expecting for A. Now from Q0, this is the transition for A and transition for B. So for all the states, for every possible input, transitions are given. So this is a DFA. Construct DFA for set of all strings containing ABB given alphabet sigma with two symbols A and B. The language consists of strings with the substring ABB. In the beginning, automata will be in the initial state Q0. Now it is expecting for a substring ABB. So as long as it sees B, remain in the same state Q0 expecting for a substring ABB. Whenever an input symbol A is found, move to another state Q1, which remembers that A of the substring ABB is found. If that A is followed by a B, moves to another state Q2, which remembers that AB of the substring ABB is found. If the AB is followed by a B, move to another state Q3, which remembers that substring ABB is found. Such strings are to be accepted, so Q3 should be an accepting state or final state. And if the machine reached the state Q3, it means the substring ABB is already seen. So if it is followed by any number of A's or B's or their combinations, remain in the same state Q3, which is the accepting state. Now from state Q0, there is a transition on A and transition on B. From state Q1, there is a transition on B. We have to specify the transition on A. Suppose we found an A and reached the state Q1, but instead of B, that A is followed by A again. Then what should we do? We should remain in the same state Q1 because Q1 is the state which remembers that A of the substring ABB is found, because if this A is followed by a BB, then we should accept that string. So remain in the same state Q1, considering this A as the A of the substring ABB. So in state Q1, as long as it sees A, remain in the same state itself. Now from state Q2, there is a transition on B. What happens if we find an input symbol A here? We found an AB and reached the state Q. Then instead of B, we found a symbol A. Then following that A, we should expect for a BB. So move to the state Q1 itself, which remembers that we have already seen A of the substring ABB and now it is expecting for a BB. So if this A is followed by a BB, then such strings can be accepted. So for all the states, for every possible input, the transitions are given. So we have the DFA for the language with the strings containing ABB.